Hello guys, welcome back to our channel IELTS Winner. Hope you all are doing fine. So this video is about the academic review of morning slot. The general and the listening answers will be uploaded as soon as I get. So keep updated with subscribing the channel. The GT and evening slots will be uploaded soon. This is for the 30th September 2021 IELTS review morning slot with two of the passages that came in IELTS exam. And I can tell you both were on one was from mini IELTS and other was from crack IELTS with Rob. Okay, so that we have predicted that learn the materials from these sites, you can learn from those sites. So the passage was from crack IELTS Rob and another passage was from mini IELTS. Okay, so let's look at the listening. Listening was quite easy, but it was a bit fast. So part 1 was one word note completion or table completion. Part 2 was MCQ and map. Part 3 was match the information and large MCQ. Part 4 was one word filler. So again, the answers I will be uploading as soon as I get them from the students. In passages for reading academic morning slot, passage 2 was coral reefs. This is also present in, I think, Career Zone Moga. Okay, so a reading passage name was Coral Reef. You can get the PDF of this one from our Telegram channel. Link will be given in the description box, so don't worry. So you can get this from the PDF from our Telegram channel, IELTS Winner. Okay, it is uploaded on IELTS Winner channel. So this was the passage. Passage 1 was quite easy. This was passage 2. Okay, coral reefs was passage 2. And the questions were, first one, match the information. Okay, so you had some of the questions and you needed to match the information as to which area they belong. So which paragraph, there were F paragraphs. So which paragraph contains this information that you have to answer. And then the question was true, false, not given. These were the questions for true, false, not given. So match the information, true, false, not given. And then it was choose the correct options, that is select the correct option. So what is the main purpose of the paragraph? That was the questions. Here are the answers: A, C, C, D, E, D, true, true, not given, true, not given. And then the last was C. So this was the answers for passage 2 coral leaves. Okay, passage 2 coral leaves answers were this. Passage 1 was named as Discovery in New Zealand. Okay, Discovery in New Zealand. This came in Chennai, India. The passage was referred to me by my student who said that this was the passage he got in today's exam. So this was a chance discovery in New Zealand. This passage was from IELTS, Crack IELTS with Rob. You can get the whole passage from our Telegram channel. The first type of questions that he got was true, false, not given. Next was a flowchart completion for him. And next word notes completion. These are the answers. So true, true, false, not given. Police, European, radiocarbon, sample 296, race, archaeologist, Australia, and shipwreck. This is the passage answers which he got. It may vary from one place to another because the passage name has been changed and the question types change. So this was that he got in Chennai today for the paper-based exam. Okay, this is for paper-based exam. Passage 3, he didn't know from where it came, and I also was not able to find. If I find, I'll share it. Passage 3 was something on science fiction, and the questions were list of headings, yes, no, not given, and completion task. So this was the passages. The reading overall was moderate, easy to moderate. Passage 1 was quite easy. Passage 2 and 3 were easy to moderate. If you do not know the paraphrasing skill, you must have find passage 3 to be quite difficult because it had list of heading which were very confusing. Academic task writing 1 was as predicted, a table. This is the table. The table shows the percentage of population and the types of houses they live in 3 areas of a city. Summarize the information. So this was a table that has been given, and this is the sample answer. So you had to write introduction, then you had to write an overall paragraph, and then you had to write 2 BP comparing and contrasting, summarizing the main information of the table. Task 2 was a double question. It was nowadays children spend more time playing computer games than doing sports. Why is it happening? Does it have a positive or negative effect? So in BP1, you had to write the reason why children spend more time on computer games. And in body paragraph 2, you had to take one side as to whether it is negative or positive development. Similar type of question was given in our predicted September list, that was nowadays children are addicted to computer games. What are the advantage and disadvantage? So almost similar type of question is there. So if you had prepared ideas for that question, you would have got it easy. So the almost same type of essay came which we had predicted in our September list. So if you want the October list, do message me personally and I'll share it for free. So in body, you have to write an introduction and clearly say that what is your opinion very well in this, whether it is negative or positive, you have to clearly say in your introduction. And then in body paragraph 1, you had to give the reasons, like because there is no playground, they stay in house. And another reason I have given is that people are scared that neighbors will come and shout if children run here and there and make noises, so they keep them locked inside the house. So these may be the reasons why they are forced to play online games. Second, in body paragraph 2, you have to give opinion. So I have given opinion that this is negative because it destroys health, it makes them obese, and also socialization is less. So these are some reasons that you have to say this is why it is a negative development. And then in conclusion, again, you had to take both sides. You had to say there are reasons and this is why I think it is negative development. So you had to cover both question types. Speaking in Chennai, the student that gave got part 1 related to work, headphones, and picnic. Part 2 was a cue card, which we have predicted for 30th September. If you go and check in our prediction list for the 30th September, you will find this cue card as describe a time you wasted a lot of money on something. This is also from new Makkar list, which is said a time when you spent more than expected. So almost similar to that. So if you had bought that PDF, you would have got good lexical resources for these kind of questions. Part 3 was related to management of money and why people should not waste money or why they waste money, why youngsters show off. All these kind of questions were asked. So hope overall the exam was easy, only the reading passage 3 was quite tricky. For the evening slots and general, I'll be uploading soon. So please keep liking, subscribing to the channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.